Here in the heart of the factory, the seeds are crushed and pressed, releasing the crude golden oil.
The sample quality is consistent with the last run.
Good. Let's keep the conveyor speed steady.
The first step is crucial. Here, the raw sunflower seeds travel along the conveyor belt towards the cleaning mill.
Once washed, the seeds are meticulously dried on perforated conveyors. Excess water drains away as controlled heat and steam prepare them for pressing.
The temperature on tray 4 is stable at 35 degrees.
Good, I'll adjust the airflow slightly. The temperature is dropping nicely now.
Good. Let's maintain this flow rate.
As you can see by the gauge, the pressure is optimal for the coarse grind.
And the paste consistency is perfect for the next stage.
That's a good yield from this batch.
Yes, the paste consistency is perfect.
Under immense pressure, the crude sunflower oil starts to separate from the meal, signaling the beginning of the extraction process.
In this stage, the golden oil is rapidly heated, creating the steam you see, which removes the moisture content.
The degumming stage is critical. Here, water is introduced to the crude oil, causing the phospholipids to
In the neutralizing stage, precise chemical addition is vital. As the lye is introduced, this
pH level is stable. Proceed with the sample.
Copy that. Taking the sample now.
The color looks excellent. We are running smoothly now.
Yes, the bleaching process is working perfectly.
Check the flow rate on the clarifier.
It's running smooth and golden.
Steam flow is consistent. The deodorization is working well.
Yes, the vapor quality is excellent. Let's log it.
Once extracted, the golden liquid is pumped into massive cooling tanks. This step is crucial for achieving the...
Once fully refined, the golden oil is pumped into these vast storage tanks, a crucial step monitored closely by the workers.
First, we check the clarity and color against the standard. Then we measure the viscosity to ensure it meets specifications before bottling.
The ultra-realistic close-up shows the precise mechanism filling the bottles with our finest golden sunflower oil before moving to the capping station.
Here, precision meets perfection. The automated system ensures every label applied.
The precision of the labeling machine ensures every bottle meets our high standards. A perfect alignment every time.
Look at that color, it's perfect.
Oh, so.
Excellent batch, absolutely clear.
Another perfect batch, ready to ship.
The quality is outstanding.